Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix missing applications in the Windows 11 volume mixer. And now let's get started. Sometimes, you might notice that certain applications, like your web browser, are not appearing in the Windows 11 volume mixer. This can be frustrating when you want to adjust individual application volumes. A common reason for an application not showing up is that it is not currently playing any audio. For instance, even if Microsoft Edge is open, it will not appear in the volume mixer unless it is actively producing sound. To test this, you need to open an application that plays audio, such as a video, and only then should it become visible in the volume mixer. If playing audio in an application does not make it appear in the volume mixer, there are other troubleshooting steps you can take. Right-click on your Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once in Settings, navigate to the System tab. Scroll down the page until you find the Troubleshoot option, then click on it. On the Troubleshoot page, select Other Troubleshooters. You will then see a list of various troubleshooters. Locate the Audio Troubleshooter and click the Run button next to it. This will initiate the Audio Troubleshooter, which may help resolve the issue of missing applications in the volume mixer. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.